Hi, welcome back to Skyway Classic Cars YouTube channel with Shane and Nyla.
Hello.
Today we're looking at an 82 Jeep Scrambler. Red with black leather interior. This is powered by a 350 Chevy engine. It has power steering, it has power brakes, and air conditioning.
She's a beauty.
She is a 4-speed manual. Looks like it's got an upgraded stereo system.
No, it's
in it.
automatic. It's automatic.
Is it an
It's just got a
She is an automatic. My apologies.
It looks like a manual because of the gear shift,
Got
but
a new stereo in it. It's got a matching fifth wheel. Fifth wheel. Paint looks real good. The interior is real nice. It's not a whole lot of these Scramblers out there as nice as this one.
it's beautiful. It's an easy drive on some real nice tires. Beautiful interior. Super simple. Nothing crazy inside. Just awesome. So as always, we're gonna get the engine started up. I'll pop the hood here. We'll take a look at the engine bay, and then Shane and I will take it for a spin, and then we'll put it up on the lift and take a look underneath. So stay tuned. Inside the Scrambler.
1982.
Love the paint job on the hood.
Yeah, it's cool. I like it.
Just there. Riding nice and high in this bad boy.
Look at that Land Rover.
Oh, hello.
Yeah, we got a lot of 4x4s lately.
Yeah, we do.
I think we have 6 Jeeps right now for sale.
So if you're into Jeeps, come check us out because we have a wide array.
Yes, we do.
I like this one. It's
kind of
simple.
nice. It's kind of nice driving them in an automatic.
Right?
I might be in the wrong gear. Oh, I was.
There we go.
She rides real nice.
Yep.
Just like a Jeep.
Right? On some pretty nice tires.